Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, I'm just gonna show you a quick video of how to replace the cabin filter for this 2016 Nissan Rogue. Okay, let's do it. So, location of your cabin air filter is over here, your glove box. So just remove your glove box, open it, remove, of course. Let me just remove this, stuff, right? So after removing this, actually there should be something in here. I think somebody already changed this one, but they didn't put back this thing. I'll show it to you. See this in here, over here. You can pull this one. Let me just pull it off for you. See this? This is just, I think, a holder. See that? That will goes on over there. Should be like that. That. But you could always remove it. There you go. And then it will go up. And then over here, see that? Just push this. I need to hand it to you. Hold on. Alright, just press it down. There you go. Okay. So see this in here. So don't worry about it. You're not gonna break it. You're not gonna break it. Right? It seems like the cabin filter is on that side. I think you can do it without removing that, but I think it's better if you just remove it so you can see it right there. That's the cover. So just press this, pull it. That's the cover. Now you can remove the cabin filter. There you go. Cabin filter. Away. There you go. That's the cabin filter. Alright. So we'll be using this Denso. That is the other one. This one. It's a Denso. So airflow. Alright. Let's match it up. Alright, so in putting the new one, so there's arrow right here, so the arrow should be facing you. So the way we do it is insert like this, like that, and then it goes like this. It should be like that. Right? Okay, let's do it. Let me if we could show it in here. Hold on. It's very tough to show it to you. That's it. So so insert it on the top, right there, like that. As soon as you insert it, wait, hold on. It's so tough to show it there. I said twist it, insert it. Okay, that. After we insert it, go like this and then twist like that. There you go. Perfect. Nice. That's how you do it. It's ready aligned. Just pull it a little bit. That's perfect. It's a line already. Alright, it's a line. And put the cover on. Cover is on. Now let's just put back the glove box. So again, see this in here, the hole right here. This one goes over this. Alright. Perfect. Nice. Then put this on. There. Alright. There you go. See? This is just a retractor. So again, there you go. This is just a quick video of how to replace a cabin air filter for 2016 Nissan Rouge. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.